Today we're checking out this toiletry bag, and it was sent to us by the manufacturer for us to check out. Now, I've been using this for a few days. Really nice. Just, putting stuff in and out of it just to see how well it works. It has a main pouch up here. Open it up. It does also have a little button on there as a secondary means to keep it closed. Everything in there nice and open, has a few little pouches in there, as you can see, to make it easy to be able to stow whatever you need, whether that be soap or toothpaste or deodorant, whatever you want to put inside there. On this other side, it also does have a nice size pouch right there. This one here has like a lining inside of it, so this would be good for like your liquids. So in case they did spill or something, it's going to be contained to this compartment. And then here on the back side, you have another little like netted area to where you can stow some stuff. Has some little areas here that you could throw in a toothbrush or two or three, as well as a place right here where you could stow your toothpaste. A couple other little compartments on here as well. Overall, it's really nice. I like the material on it. Has like a leather type material here, and then more of like a denim type material up top. So if you're needing something like this, go ahead and check it out.